Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, and if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Today we are going to be doing a little Sephora VIB haul. They had yet another sale just last weekend, so I went and picked up a couple of things. Nothing too exciting, more or less just kind of things that I needed. I did, however, want to mention this Pat McGrath palette that I have absolutely been loving. I didn't get it this past weekend, but I did get it in a previous Sephora VIB sale. I did a couple looks with it, so you can go ahead and check out that video. Alright, so we'll jump right into the stuff that I just got this weekend. So first thing is the two BB Clean. So you get two beauty blenders as well as the liquid blender cleanser. I prefer the liquid blender cleanser. I've tried the solid one. I find that the liquid just absorbs into the sponge a little bit better. It gets a little bit more clean. So this is great value. You're basically getting the cleanser for free, and you always need a backup of the beauty blender anyway, so might as well go ahead. Next up, I went and picked up the Clinique. This is the Take the Day Off Micellar Cleansing Towelettes for face and eyes. These are great. I find that when I use them, my face doesn't feel stripped. It doesn't take out all the oils and all of that. My skin is left pretty hydrated. It's great at taking off the makeup on the eyes, mascara, eyeshadow, eyeliner, all of that. So great product to have around. Super convenient if you're into cleansing towels. Next, I am super excited about this. This is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vitamin C Glow Powder. I haven't heard too much about it, but it comes in a little package like this. So you have the two sides, and what you do is you basically chop off the top, you empty both powders into your hand, you mix it with some water, and kind of apply it on the face. I did hear Floor talking about it on her YouTube channel, and she said that she noticed like a major difference while using it, because I do love their Vitamin Nectar face mask that comes in the jar, so I'm really excited to try those out. So I finally ran out of my Dior Addict Lacquer Stick in shade Rolling, so I had to go purchase another one. So it just comes in a package like this. It's a beautiful peachy nude, great for every day. And these lacquer sticks are super hydrating, so they're great for the winter months. I'll just swatch it here for you. Yeah, so gorgeous color. And like I said, super hydrating. They last quite a while. Highly recommend these lacquer sticks as well as this shade. It's a very universal shade. I think it'll look great on anybody. I also had to repurchase my Dior Show Brow Styler in shade Blonde. So I love this pencil. It's one of the better ones that I've tried, and I've tried other ones. I always just keep on going back to this one, so might as well stick with it. And like I've said in previous videos, I usually go for color Blonde even though my eyebrows are darker, because the browns come off a little bit too orange on my skin tone. So the Blonde is more of a taupe, so it goes more with my hair color. Next, the Marc Jacobs. I picked up the highliner in shade Brownie. They also had another brown shade called Earthquake. Earthquake is a little bit too dark for me. I think that Brownie is going to accentuate my eyes a little bit better. And that's just that shade there. So just a super basic brown eyeliner. So lastly, I picked up the Dior Backstage Contour Palette. So it does only come in one color. It doesn't come in like light and dark. It's a universal shade. However, I've heard quite a few people talk about how much they love the formula of this, and that they even use the darker shade as like an eyeshadow base. So gorgeous packaging here. I'll go ahead and swatch. So I finally ran out of my Dior Backstage Contour Palette. So it does only come in one color. It doesn't come in like light and dark. It's a universal shade. However, I've heard quite a few people talk about how much they love the formula of this, and that they even use the darker shade as like an eyeshadow base. So gorgeous packaging here. I'll go ahead and swatch. the two contour shades. Yeah, so obviously the darker shade, and then you got your lighter contour shade. So this actually, obviously it's going to be way too dark on me, but yeah, I could see you using that as an eyeshadow. I'm going to go into that lightest highlight shade. Don't know how well you can pick that up on my hand, but just that there. All right, really excited to play with this. I've been using my Chanel Tende Soleil Chanel for the for my contour. However, I'm just finding I wanted a powder. This is a little bit too orange. I wanted more of a gray undertone for contour, so this was a great one to pick up. And I'll show you a little demonstration of the Clinique Take the Day Off towels. So you can see there, even the eyeliner is gone, and my hand isn't super dry or anything like that. It leaves it nice and moisturized. So these are great. I really highly recommend these. All right, and that is it for today's video. A nice, short, sweet one for you. Hope to see you all again next time.